Here's Nanay unboxing her order from online order.
What kind this scissor?
Her scissors is very, very dull.
Habong mali.
Isi ano? Antay pre ko ah. She's having a hard time now. We'll see if her order is right or they delivered the right items. Or they shipped the right items. It's wrapped with, I think this is bubble wrap. Yeah. It's bubble wrapped. And then the box, the do-it-yourself box. Yeah, they made a box out of boxes. How do you call that? They're just being resourceful. Ano jud na nay basta kuan la ning kamot piti-piti na. Asa kahit top ug bottom ana. Hinaya kay mabungkag unya. They improvised this box, as you can see. It's improvised box from, I don't know what box is this. So that's the content or contents, because there's a lot. There's more than one. High grade stainless steel combination series, and there's also luwags, different kinds of luwags. Yeah, it's plastic. Kitchen tools. It's dishwasher safe, heat resistant, food safe, safe for all surfaces. Ang surfaces? Surface. So, this is right as what Nanay saw before she ordered it. And let's see. Open that one, Nay. Protect. Unahan gamay. Protect fresh box, high quality stainless steel ware. Anak jud. Murag tagkuan ra ni nay ba, tag 500 ra ni siya sa. Murag tag 500 ron ra ni. Ana. Gamay ra. So how many containers are there? So there are 5 containers, stainless steel containers.
4, 3, 4, 5.
Quality wise, not maybe out of 10, maybe 3.5 quality wise.
Kikan na ni dakikan.
Ambot og kuan ba ni siya? Oven safe. We'll see. This one, it's very, very, look. It's like a paper thing. So the sizes are 10 centimeters, 12, 14, 16, and 18. There, from 10 to 18. It did not say that we can put an oven safe. It did not say. Maybe we'll better not use it in the oven. It doesn't mean it's stainless steel you can put it in the oven, because the quality of it is not really good for oven. It's not, doesn't look like oven safe. This one, high grade stainless steel, high quality, multi-use stainless steel, serial products of stainless steel.
3, asa mag-roast
Nadiha,
ka?
nadiha ka.
4, 5,
5, the covers, the handles,
5,
and yep.
1.
Let me see the quality of this. Maybe 5 out of 10.
5. Mag-screw.
Tara!
Di mo to screw.
Na mag-screw ato kauban. So there are also 5. Size 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24. Good may ragot kay maura man iyang size. So what can you say nice imong order?
Thank you so much.
Unsa may kasulti nimo? Your expectation.
No damage. Thank you.
No damage unya. How do you like it? You like it?
I thought this is big but small.
Big in the picture but small in
Picture is big.
in the actual.
Personal. Oh, the personal.
Actual.
The actual is very small.
Mm.
I want big.
Yeah, you're going to pay more on that big size. So you are. I think you are
we can
paying.
bake already. We can make cake. This one.
Not that one. That will melt.
Baking
Tin.
tin.
Baking tin. Baking tin. You can't bake on those stuff. I won't bake on it. I won't use that for baking.
Sure?
Di ma. So, maura to.
Thank you. Maraming salamat po.
Maura to po.
Isip ito po, Anday.
Di naman, ano may send.
Sana.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.